a nice day to swing on my swing.
Shawn, time to come inside.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming. What? What the heck? A little bird? A poor little guy. He can't fly. I know what to do. I'll take care of him. Don't worry. I'm gonna be your new mommy. Shh. It's okay. You're safe now. You're so weak you can't even fly.
Hey, Shawn, I need to what? Shawn, is that a bird?
Oh, hey, Mom. Yes, it is a bird.
Shawn, where did you get this bird from?
I found it on our playset, and look at this. He's all scared now.
Shawn, was the bird alone? Or did you just found it like that?
I found him, and he was all alone. And look at this. Look, he barely hatched. And plus, he can't even fly.
You found him on their playset, and now he can't fly because, one, he's a baby, and two, are you gonna take care of this bird?
Yes, I'm gonna take care of this bird like Blue from the movie Rio.
Oh yeah, that girl from the movie, that little bird that's scared to fly.
Yes, Mom. I'm gonna make him a little home. Alright. Here's your brand new home. I think he likes it now.
Shawn, I think this bird is traumatized. I think he's hungry.
He's hungry? Let's see if I have something to eat. Alright, let's see, oh. We could give him a hot dog.
Shawn, hot dogs are too big. Look at this thing. It's too small. Why don't you give us, like, breadcrumbs or something?
Breadcrumbs? We don't have breadcrumbs. Alright, we could just feed some worms. Can you go to the store and get some worms?
Alright. It looks like not $6.
Okay, Mama. Come on, Birdie. You're coming with me. Alright, Birdie. You're gonna stay here. What would I name you? Oh, I got it. My name is Slim.
Hey, Shawn, what's all the racket? What the? Shawn? Is that another pet?
Oh, I think so, because I'm dumping it now.
No. There's no way you're giving me that pet. Oh, what kind of pet it is?
It's a bird, Oreo, but, what kind of species it is?
I don't know, Ollie. Is it a blue ray?
Oreo, I think it's a wren.
What? A wren? What's a wren?
It's what we have here.
Oh, okay.
Oreo, can you guys not making too much noise? I want to take care of this bird now. It's okay. You're safe with me.
What? Oh, that bird. He's got nothing coming.
What do you think, Oreo?
We're gonna eat that bird. That bird dies tonight. What's how?
Hey, Shawn, I heard ollireo complain about what? Shawn? Is that a wren? Because if it's a wren, that would be a cool species.
Well, yes, Mike, it is a wren. But for me, I think it's a wood sparrow. I think so. Anyways, what are you doing today?
Oh, nothing much. I'm just gonna watch TV downstairs. But, what's the bird's name?
I name it Slim.
Oh, that's a good name. Well, see you later.
Bye, Mike. You and me, we're best buds to the end.
You see, Ollie?
I do, Oreo. He chose the bird against us.
Well, that bird dies now. How should we do it? Should we turn it into a chicken nugget?
I don't know. You can't eat that. You can't eat birds.
Why do you think chicken nuggets are made? Chicken nuggets are from birds.
I mean, it's kind of true.
I'm gonna go outside, see if we can find something to kill it. All right. What should we use to kill it?
Oreo, there's nothing out here, just grass.
I know. What? How?
are you two? Have you seen a bird around here?
Yes, stray dog. We have. Why are you asking that?
Because it's mine, and I want to have it back.
Ooh, you see, Ellie, we don't have to kill the bird. Ooh, this guy, we found the owner.
Oreo, I don't think it's a good idea.
What do you mean, Ollie? If that bird's gone, we get our lump back.
I know, but what would Shawn say?
I don't know, but whoever shot, come here.
Oh, I forgot to tell you my name. My name is Gru.
Well, come on, Gru. Let's get your bird back.
Okay, Slim. If I know you don't have any toys, but here's my race car. He's still hungry. Sure, Mom comes back here soon.
Shawn, good news. We found the owner.
Wait, what? What? Who the heck is that guy?
Hello, mister. My name is Gru, and I'm here to pick up my bird back.
Oh, yours? But I found him on the ground.
No, it's mine. Give it back to me.
Fine. I'm gonna miss you, Slim.
Oh, sad for hearts. But thanks for my bird back.
Well, he's gone.
All right, Shawn. Here's the worms. I spent $6 on this. $6 for a lot of worms. Where's your bird?
The owner came back and took him.
All right, look at that bird's gone. We're happy to get her.
Oreo, I think I kind of have a bad feeling about this, about giving the bird back to Gru.
What do you mean?
Do you think it's kind of obvious that he's a dog and not a human?
Whatever. He must have want to adopted it.
Behold, I turned the chick into a nugget.